flies.
Go.
Hi guys, and
Oh, sorry.
welcome to stop. Welcome to another cooking video. Today we are going to be making a Salvadorian Today we are going to be cooking a Salvadorian dish, and if you're Salvadorian, you know what I'm cooking by the looks. Actually, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay. Today we are going to be cooking pupusas, a Salvadorian dish, and in El Salvador it has been declared the national dish because it is delicious, you guys. I have never cooked a pupusa, so we are going to do this together. I gathered some information of how to make them, so I'm going to be kind of doing it my own way. I did not find some of the ingredients. I mean, just I think like jalapeno for the salsa, but we're gonna be making pupusas, the curtido and the salsa. If you guys don't know what curtido is, it's similar to sauerkraut, and it's delicious. My mom used to take me to get pupusas when she would pick me up from school and stuff. I don't know, my mom's obsessed with pupusas and I'm obsessed with pupusas, so here is a Mexican attempting to make pupusas for the first time. I just spit everywhere. Disgusting. This is my first time cooking pupusas and I hope they come out good because I'm hungry and it's really like 8 o'clock and
everything's happening.
But so first thing we're gonna do is we are going to make the salsa. The salsa is so freaking bomb at the restaurant, so let's hope that I make it as bomb as the restaurants. So I'm going to be using 4 Roma tomatoes and I'm gonna be boiling them. So I'm adding all those 4. This is oregano. You're gonna add that after when the salsa is boiling. And yes, we're gonna put the salsa to boil. That's different than like, I don't know, than any sauce I've ever made. So then we're gonna add 2 garlics. 2 garlics, and I did not find jalapenos. So I was supposed to add 2 jalapenos, but the only thing I can find was chile serrano. So I'm adding 1 because this mother trucker is really spicy. And then we're gonna be adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And obviously water. And then we're gonna let it boil. So you know what, let me start boiling some water for the curtido while we're doing all this. You're gonna like need all your burners, so yeah. And this is gonna be for the curtido. You're gonna cover the curtido with it so it can get a little softer but not too soft. You want to have a crunch in that curtido because that's the best part of it. And you're not gonna boil the curtido like the cabbage in it. You're gonna just add the water. You'll see. You'll see. So right now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be refrying some beans. I already boiled the beans prior to this, and I'm not a really big fan of pinto beans, but they will do because that's all I had. So let's refry our beans. Hopefully the oil's not too hot because then it's gonna jump everywhere. You just want to refry them all. I made like 3 cups of beans. This is a workout. After you're done smashing all the beans, you're gonna want to take them off the stove so they can cool. So like that, we can put it inside the pupusa. You know what I just realized? I put, don't mind my frijoles mess right here. I put the salt in there. And that salt was supposed to be for the blender. So, I mean, I can just add it to the blender. I'm pretty sure no salt's gonna get in there. I hope so. So, scratch the what if they do it before? I'm sorry. Just scratch the salt Don't add it to the water. No boiling. Jitomates. Stop. So I tried to make my life a little easier, and oh, because you can see the reflection.
I don't know if they
And I bought some already chopped coleslaw. So basically it's just shredded cabbage and carrots. It's a 16 ounce and I put half, so 8 ounces into here so we can wash them. And then I'm gonna chop half of a purple onion. Josh said they're called red onions, but purple onion. Really?
Maybe I got the wrong onion, you know.
No, this is a beautiful onion, by the way. So half of that. And then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of dry oregano and then half a tablespoon of salt. So I'm just adding all my ingredients here, so it'll be just easier to all pour it in once the coleslaw is mushy with the, I'll show you. If you guys are liking these cooking videos, make sure to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments down below, because I enjoy myself. Even though I don't know what I'm doing half the time while I'm cooking, I enjoy myself and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Click the bell.
Yes, click the bell. So right now we're gonna chop this onion. We're only going to use half of it. So wait, these knives are so sharp, can you tell? Where's my little trash bin? I like to keep something like a little trash can close to me, so I don't have to be walking back and forth to the trash can. So this little bin works perfectly. So only half, then we're gonna save half for something else. I don't know, some pozole or something. Some pozole with some purple onion, red onion, whatever. So we're just, this is a big freaking onion. So we're gonna do half of the half, and then we're just gonna chop it. My chopping board's so big, can you tell? I just like little chopping boards like this because it makes life a lot easier when you have to wash it later.
So you lied on my chopping board?
You're so stupid. So basically you just go like this and go like this. That's the onion, and throw that away. Vete a la chingada. Also, we're gonna add 1 full cup of white vinegar after everything is boiled. I'm excited for this, and I hope you guys are too. And now you have to rinse it and make sure the onion's distributed like throughout the whole thing, so you can get chunks of onion every time you get a bite of that pupusa, you know what I mean? Now we're gonna be just adding the curtido into a bowl. A lot of people like to add jalapenos. Like I said, I didn't find jalapenos at my store, but a lot of people like to add jalapenos to the curtido. Plus, Josh isn't a big fan of the spicy. I am. So I kind of drank the water from the tomatoes, and now I'm scared. Don't splatter. Ay! Ooh! Oh, mommy, I need your help. My mom's a G. She doesn't need nothing for her hands. I am too though. Now is when we add the 2 teaspoons of salt. So 1. Oh, chinga madre.
Oh my god.
I added.
We'll just do half.
Let's just do half of this one because a lot of it went in there. I'm not a professional. So now we do the blendy. We want to put the pan back to heat up with some oil. On this pan, you're gonna want to put 2 teaspoons of oil, and we're gonna add the salsa there and let it simmer, and add the oregano. So now that everything's in there, we go and we blend. I'm trying to clean the beans, but it's too hot. The oil's nice and hot, and now we're gonna add our salsa to simmer, and then add the teaspoon of oregano. And I want to taste it. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so damn good. Now you add the teaspoon of oregano, and you mix. And you let it simmer. Guys, this salsa's bomb.com. Who says that? I do, because I'm old. Okay, so you just mix it. That looks delicious, you guys. And then you just let it simmer for a little bit. So I'm going to add the hot water to the curtido right now and let it sit for around 15 minutes. Now that the salsa's ready, we just get it everywhere. Kidding. We just add it. Oh my gosh. She got ice creams. Oh my gosh. It's hot.
It's bomb. How? It's not spicy.
No, I know. I thought the serrano was spicy, but...
Here, oh, here's the real test right here.
You want to try it, baby girl?
Alright,
A little
get
hot.
underneath here.
Wait.
Get underneath.
She dressed herself, by the way, and I'm okay with that. I have severe OCD, and I'm learning to cope with things I can't control. And this is one of them. She dresses herself like 5 times a day.
She looks so beautiful.
And she looks beautiful. So, good job, baby girl.
You ready to taste it? Tell the truth.
That's a salsita for the pupusas.
Tell everybody the truth.
You never had a pupusa, bro. You're gonna be in heaven.
Is it good? What'd you do?
What?
You like it?
You like it? Say the truth. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm still looking at camera.
There he is. So now the curtido is ready. You're gonna drain it. Ooh, that smells good. That smells like sauerkraut, and it doesn't even have the vinegar yet. Here's the cabbage, carrots, and red onion, and then we have half a tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oregano. What I'm gonna do with the oregano is I'm gonna take it in my palm, go like this. This is so damn good. And then here, let's just add everything in there. And then last but not least, we're gonna add 1 full cup of white vinegar. And you mix. I like mixing stuff with my hands. It makes it a lot easier. It's like pickled veggies, basically. Sauerkraut, deliciousness, curtido. Call it whatever you want to call it, but make it. Because this is, if you have a pupusa and you don't have curtido on it, what are you doing, bro? Curtido is like the main part of the pupusa. The deliciousness, what adds the flavor. This and the salsa on top, delicious. Let's try it.
I'll try it.
You wanna try it? It's so good. It's good, huh? Yes, I'm going to open up my queso Oaxaca, and queso Oaxaca is so delicious, and the way it melts and the way it tastes is like none other. If you guys have never tried queso Oaxaca, then you guys are missing out, and you guys should go buy some right now. Like, you can even click out of this video and go buy some. That's how good it is. I can't even open it. I'm gonna be chopping them in smaller pieces, only because we wanna get a bunch of cheese in the pupusa. Now we are preparing the masa. We are going to use 4 cups of masa and 3.5 to 4 cups of water. So this makes like 10 to 12 pupusas, so we can have some left over for tomorrow. The 2 teaspoons of salt, just to flavor the masa a little bit. And then we add the 3.5 cups. Let's start with that. And I'm making a mess. And it's okay.
3.
Yeah, we did 3.
No, then 1.
No, we did 3. And now we're gonna mix.
Oh.
And make some dough to make some pupusas.
Mommy.
Yeah. Ew. What I like to do is have half a cup of oil, half a cup of water. The water basically just get on your fingertips, get the masa. Helps the masa not stick to your fingers, your hands. And now we're gonna start making the pupusas. I'm so excited. I have the beans, I have the cheese right here, ready to make pupusas. And I have a pan over there on medium heat. what I was watching is that they were grabbing like a ball the size of a baseball, I guess, and then they would kind of like, you know what I mean, kneaded to like, oh, this reminds me of my mom.
That reminds me of you.
I hate you. And what you want to do is you want to go with your fingers, kind of make a little bowl, kind of like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some beans. Ooh, oh my god, this looks good. Some beans, and then we're gonna add some cheese. I wish this cheese was shredded, but it's okay. So now, this is what I saw they were doing. Please, please don't break my heart. Oh my god, Josh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm making pupusas. And then for these little cracks, that's what I have the oil for. It helps it, you see? It just melts together. Isn't that crazy? I try to be a perfectionist in everything I do, but I'm not. I'm definitely not. And these cracks in the tortilla are driving me insane because I saw this beautiful lady, Salvadorian lady, making pupusas, and they look so perfectly round, and this is pissing me off. And it's ready. I just want to coat it with a little bit of oil because we're gonna put it on the pan. So we have some oil there, we have some oil this side, and we're gonna put it in the pan. And we have the pupusa ready to go on the pan. You guys hear that sizzle? You're gonna let it cook for 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So let's try 3 minutes. You guys, these look amazing. I'm crying. Now we're just gonna add some of this. And then we add the salsa. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I like a lot of salsa. Oh my god.
You want some?
You want some? Let's go try it, you guys. Your mouth is watering. I heard it. Let's try it. You see this? Let's see. Oh, it's hot. It's so hot.
I'm not feeling so hot.
Oh, look. The cheese, look. This one's a little cooler.
Whoa.
Oh my.
See that?
Yes.
Oh my god. Wanna try it? Here.
Was it good?
It's so good. Try it.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is delicious.
Let me. Oh, Mama. Let me try.
Well, there you go, guys. They are so delicious. And it was my first time making them, and if I can make them, you can make them. Give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave it down in the comments below what other type of food I should cook, because I love cooking videos because I love eating.
Bye.
Bye.